Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to introduce you to my new best friend. I want you to meet my Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop system. Let me tell you what, this thing does its job. I love that it picks up all the dust, all the hair, dust bunnies, dog food, dirt, you name it, it's picking it up. But it's got this awesome HEPA filtered bagless self-emptying base. So it's all collecting in this canister that is super easy to dump out in the trash can. It can go for about 30 days. And once you're done, you just click it back in there, good to go. And one wonderful thing about Shark is its user-friendly app. So easy to tell your little robot where to go, which rooms to clean, how to clean them, vacuuming, mopping, whatever you're needing to do. But also on that vacuum feature, I can set it and forget it. That's right, I can just go ahead and schedule it to do it every night when we're in bed. And I love that. Overall, it's super user-friendly. I love that I can go from vacuum to mop and go back again to the vacuum. And it's just, even my kids can use it. I tell you what, this thing has done everything I need it to do. It tackles on stuck-on stains. It's got this better edge cleaning. So it's kind of using a blast of air in the corner. It's pulling all that debris. And I was very skeptical, especially about the mop feature, but look at this thing go. It is doing everything I needed to do in between deep cleans. It's been a wonderful extra set of hands. So if you're like me and you have pets and kids and you need just a little more help on your floors in between deep cleans, or you want it to do all the work, I highly suggest this Shark AI robotic vacuum and mop system. It is incredible on the floors. I love it. I know you will too. And that is my point of view.